Hello and welcome to part 2 on how to let go of your past. This is going to be an EFT tapping where we learn to release the burdens of the past, and we're going to release self-judgment as well. We're also going to quiet that inner critic in our heads that is keeping us chained or stuck in the past, okay? So whenever you're ready, let's begin on the side of the hand, just right here. I've been holding on to the past, and it's weighing me down. All these memories keep coming back. The past mistakes and regrets. I'm being so hard on myself. But I can't help it. I cannot seem to accept my past. I cannot forgive myself for the things that happened and the things that I might have done. But today I'm allowing myself to release just a little bit of what's weighing me down. And I'm learning to love, accept, and forgive myself through it all. Okay, let's move on to the eyebrow point. I'm being so hard on myself. I'm holding on to past memories and regrets. I wish I could have done things differently. I choose to recognize all these feelings, and I'm capable of facing them. I am so much more than my past and my mistakes. Even though I find it difficult to accept my past, I love and forgive myself anyway. I release the need to change or fix my past. I choose to embrace every part of my journey. I will no longer punish past versions of me for not knowing better. Because my past brought me here. I am who I am because of the lessons I've learned. Every experience has shaped me. Every person that came into my life has taught me a valuable lesson. I'm allowing myself to practice radical acceptance. I'm letting go of self-judgment. I'm trusting the flow of life. I'm worthy of love and compassion. I'm choosing to embrace myself as I am in this moment. I deserve to feel love and joy. I am enough in this very moment. I'm celebrating all the growth and learning. I'm welcoming love, compassion, and kindness. I choose to be my own biggest supporter. I'm embracing self-love. I am free to be me fully and completely. All right, beautiful. Take a deep breath in through your nose and gently let go. You can do that tapping as many times as you want. The purpose is really to neutralize the feelings that you have regarding yourself and also past regrets or mistakes. It just doesn't make sense for us to punish past versions of us when we didn't know better, and now we do know better, so we can do better. And this tapping will also help you get unstuck and allow you to move forward in life and with circumstances or with people. All right, thank you so much for watching. If you have any requests, please leave them down below. I would love to create more videos for you guys. Follow me if you're watching this on TikTok, or subscribe if you're watching on YouTube. Thank you again for watching, and I look forward to hearing how this made you feel. All right, see you later. Bye.